Hey everyone, I'm really excited to show you something I've been working on for the past few months. You know how we're all drowning in apps these days? I had like 15 different productivity apps on my phone, and honestly, it was making me less productive, not more. So I decided to build something different. Meet Ada. And yes, I named her after Ada Lovelace, because, well, she deserves that honor. Ada is basically the AI assistant I always wished I had, and I think you're going to love what she can do. Let me start with something that honestly blew my mind when I first got it working. You don't need to fill out forms or click through menus anymore. You literally just talk to Ada like you'd talk to a friend. Watch this. I'm just going to type, "I have a meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m." And boom, look at that! Ada immediately gets it. She knows tomorrow is August 19th, schedules it for 5 p.m., and drops it right into my due soon list. No date pickers, no drop-down menus, just pure conversation. I mean, we're living in 2025, right? This is how it should work. Now don't worry, if you're more of a traditional person, you can still add things manually. But once you try the natural language approach, trust me, you won't want to go back. Here's where things get really interesting. I built Ada on top of Google's Gemini AI. But here's the thing, and this was super important to me. Your data never leaves your device. All you need is a free Gemini API key from Google AI Studio. It takes literally 2 minutes to set up, costs nothing, and then Ada becomes incredibly smart while keeping everything private. Your tasks, your notes, your personal stuff, it all stays with you. But Ada isn't just about managing tasks. She's become my research partner, and this feature has honestly saved me hours every week. Let me show you something cool. I'm going to ask her, find me reviews on the new Superman movie and save them in my notes. Now watch what happens. Ada's going out to search the internet, gathering information, and creating a proper summary for me. This is huge for me because I used to constantly switch between my to-do app, my browser, my notes app. It was chaos. Now it's all happening in one place, in one smooth workflow. And there we go. She's created a note called New Superman Movie Reviews with a clean summary of the reception. And she's even cited her sources, IGN, Forbes, the works. It's like having a research assistant who actually knows how to organize information. Now here's a feature I'm particularly proud of. Ada Mini. It's this overlay that lets you access Ada from anywhere on your device. Let's say I'm browsing some local events. Instead of manually typing everything out, I can just take a screenshot, bring up Ada Mini, paste the image, and say, add these to my calendar. Watch the magic happen. Ada's analyzing the image, understanding what she's looking at, and extracting all the events automatically. Let's check the main app. She says she's added the events. Going to the calendar, and there they are. August 30th, Kloof Civic Hall, Ballyrae Festival, Masood Boomgard Live. August 27th, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. All perfectly created from a single screenshot. One thing I really wanted was flexibility. So Ada's dashboard is completely customizable. You can drag, drop, resize, make it exactly what you need. Some people want to focus on habits, others on upcoming deadlines, others on long-term goals. Design it however works for your brain. But let me show you the feature that made me think, okay, this changes everything. I'm going to upload this PDF. It's a capstone project overview with deadlines scattered throughout, milestones, requirements, all that academic chaos we know and love. I'll just tell Ada, add these to my calendar and create related tasks. Now she's reading the entire document, identifying every deadline, every actionable item, every important date. If you're a student or you deal with complex project documents, you know how tedious this normally is. You miss things, deadlines sneak up on you, and done! She's added 5 events and 34 tasks and habits. Look at my task list now. Complete project plan, create test plan, submit progress report, all with the correct due dates. But here's my favorite part. Check out the Habit Tracker. She even created Spend 10 hours per week on CS3 Capstone Project because she found that requirement buried in the PDF. That's the kind of attention to detail that makes you go, whoa! Look, I didn't set out to build another productivity app. The world doesn't need another to-do list. What I wanted was an AI assistant that actually understands context, that can handle natural language, that can look at images, read documents, do research. Basically, all the stuff our brains do, but computers traditionally couldn't. Ada handles natural language like a conversation, searches the web intelligently, understands images through multimodal AI, and processes entire documents automatically. She's not just managing tasks, she's understanding your world and helping you navigate it. I've been using Ada for months now, and honestly, I can't imagine going back to the old way of doing things. The time I used to spend just moving information between apps, I now spend actually getting things done. If this sounds like something that could help you, I'd love for you to try it. The link's in the description, and I genuinely can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Building Ada has been one of the most rewarding projects I've ever worked on.